Is your air conditioner struggling to keep your home cool? Low refrigerant levels can reduce cooling performance, increase energy costs, and put extra strain on your system. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional AC refrigerant services. Our experienced technicians carefully inspect your system to check refrigerant levels and identify possible leaks. We use professional diagnostic tools to ensure your system is operating safely and efficiently. From refrigerant recharging to leak detection and repairs, we provide complete solutions to restore your AC performance. Proper refrigerant levels help your system cool more effectively while improving efficiency and reducing wear. The result is reliable comfort during Pennsylvania's hottest summer days. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest recommendations, expert service, and dependable cooling solutions. Keep your AC running at peak performance with professional refrigerant services. What does refrigerant do in an AC system? Refrigerant absorbs heat from indoor air and releases it outside, allowing the air conditioning system to cool your home or business. How do I know if my AC system is low on refrigerant? Common signs include weak cooling, warm air from vents, frozen evaporator coils, longer cooling cycles, and increased energy bills. What causes refrigerant leaks in AC systems? Leaks can occur due to corrosion, damaged coils, loose connections, vibration, or aging system components. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.